Yes, what opened the door? Just come and look at this. No, just come and look at this. Do you know this?
Yes.
This is the catcher. Wow. We call it door opener, which is this one is working with the catcher. It makes the thing work well, work better, work okay. We still talk about the tire again.
The tire needs to change, right?
The tire needs to be changed to make everything be okay, perfect, and
make it move
everything
fine. That one right there costs like how much in market? Sorry.
What is the model of this car?
This is
CRV.
CRV. Wow. It show example for the back. It carries tires in the back. Even new model or old model. Wow.
But this car worth like 7 mil.
The Nigeria is too hard. Is this? It was like 8 million to get the direct bedroom of the car.
But this Highlander have 2 model, right?
You have new model, you have old model. Have new model and old model. But this old model.
Okay, old model, right?
Wow, but we still have new model.
It looks nice. But it will cost like how much in market?
The new model of the designer is 47 million naira. And the new model is 47 million naira, and the old model is 6 million naira. Have in type. The
Like
direct
the
better than the new.
Like,
so
like
what is the common
model.
problem of this car?
The common, right?
The problem of this car is engine.
The car doesn't have engine, right?
Wow. Engine is
But it have legs.
Yeah, yes.
And
some other parties in Honda.
Like me, I prefer to carry Highlander than Pilot. Because of the legs.
No, 100% sure. Far over far. Even me, I'll carry Highlander, and Highlander is over great. Are you understanding me?
Yes.
No, are you understanding me?
I get your point.
100% great. Okay, see the black spray. Look nice.
Holocom tinted.
For the glass.
Looks
For
nice.
it. Just take a look at.
This is right.
Wow, this is
The nice engine.
wow. This is
But